Hello, I'm in a 2017 Kia Sorento, and today I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So from the driver's side here, we'll find this release lever that we'll pull. If this is just completely loose, you might need to check behind this plastic to see if there's any loose cables. But we'll head up to the front now. And you should see the hood slightly loose now, so you can fit your fingers in here. There's a lever here we're going to push and then lift, so push and lift. And then fortunately it's got these nice hydraulics to hold it up. But this is what that lever looked like I was pushing. So I double check nothing's bent or broken. There's no debris in here that needs cleaned up. If it's sticking a lot, you might need to spray some WD-40 to loosen this. And then up here is where it hooked onto, so again, make sure nothing's bent. Make sure your hood's in proper alignment as well, because if it's crooked, that could also cause issues. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.